Rocks down in it.
Danger, open pit, proceed with caution. Well, if I think I know what that means, it means we need to go down in it. Let's go. No trespassing. Enter by permit. Oh, fuck off. Me and Wes just think it's a good idea that we go down in it.
Oh, we going.
We're going?
We going.
We're gonna see what happens. So let's get down in it. Well, we're gonna head down this hole. Man, what could be down there? I'm gonna find out. Well, we're gonna get down in this hole. I suppose.
Careful, we barely got it tied up there.
Be careful! This is scary! Scary! Oh God! What do I do with my feet? What do I do with my feet? What? What do I do with my feet? Oh my God! Oh my God! My feet! See you, boys. Ugh. It's a far way down. Pretty cool. Just let her slide. Let her rip. Ah, my hand. It's burning me. Oh, this is so cool, dude. Wow, this is so cool. But the boys are on their way down. And yeah, we're gonna hit the rest of this cave. Well, here comes Jasper. So here we are again with Wesley Cave Zip, and we all know what he does. He does the Aussie rappel. So here he is in full effect, coming down. Hard to see right now, but here comes the wild man. Woohoo, buddy! I hear some water. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, I could hear it the whole time down. There's like a little portal hole. That's sick. That's pretty cool. So, apparently, we gotta go up some ropes over here. There it is. That's pretty cool. Up the rope. Up we go. Okay. We're going up this rope now. This is so cool! Whoa, dude. Look at that. Oh. That's sick, dude.
Terrifying.
Well, the waterfall is over there. We come across this.
Terrified.
I guess we gotta go up this rope. we're gonna do that. Woo! Woo! I think this is your 20-foot one, man.
Yeah.
Oh, ha ha!
Nice you found they run into you.
Dude, what's that crazy thing you had on the rope? You had like some crazy thing that grabbed the rope for your hand?
Oh, this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What are those used for?
Yeah. Just so my hands are weak.
Oh, okay.
You all good?
You made it, man. You made
I
it.
didn't think I was ever going to make it up this climb.
You made it all the way. Well, we have reached another passage, which is like, it's super windy out here. I don't know the meaning of this. What's down there? Little trickler. Little water trickler. Oh man. Wes took a pee right there. You know we did. Cool little water trickler. Take a look at it. Oh man, that's kind of neat. We got a little water trickler. The rope ain't here.
Take that.
Can I have a rope, sir? Here comes Jasper, making his way up the rope. Dude, I don't know if those bolts are rated for this activity here. Dude, that rope, are you on it right now?
I'm on the anchor below this.
Dude, there's a cut in it.
Yeah, probably cut right over that edge.
Yeah, it is. Dude, you better be careful, man. I'll put it where it's sharp so that way it cuts easy at least when you hit it, you know? You're 900 feet off the ground on a cut rope, dude. Crazy. Well, I mean, there's not much you can do at this point except, you know. Pretty cool. Ready?
Yep.
Here, get it now.
I know you're kind of like Nate. I just want to make sure you're okay stepping across that.
Fuck Nate, I'll push him down that fucking pit. He'll die like that down there like a duck. Looks like everything's good. Whoa, shit. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Dangerous. Well, see now, the unfortunate part of life right now for making these decisions is we gotta go back out this damn thing. What the fuck? What in the world? What in the world? This pit was pretty cool. Check this out. They're way down there still. You can see them down there. But we still have a long way to go, dude. This sucks. Well, we crashed the drone and Jasper did make his way out. So we are out of this cave. Till next time. What do you think, Jasper?
Huh?
What do you think?
Awesome.
Did you get my drone?
Yeah.
Where's that?
At the bottom of the pit.
No shit.
Did you hear it?
I thought I did.